Hey y'all, it cut me off, don't you know? It always does. Because I take too long. My nose has got fuzzies. I was using the eyelash curler, and what I was saying is you put the metal band down and it will pop your lashes up, and that's when you clamp down. Now what do we always do afterwards? Always use not a tissue, but a makeup cloth, a black cloth, a gray cloth, a brown cloth, something that's not your nice tissues, your nice towels. So it can be nice. This is actually a very nice, it's a Turkish towel, but it's not white. It's not going to show the stains of what you're putting on there, because even if you wash it and wash it really well, those stains won't come out of white. Okay, so we've done eyelash curling, we've done lining, and now I'm going to use the Chanel Inimitable. This is waterproof. It's got the little gold instead of white emblem on top. It's got a fantastic brush. I feel like it's the best ever. So I'm going to get kind of close so you can see. I'm tipping tipping the ends as always. Just kind of a windshield wiper motion, making sure I got all the little ends. And then starting on the outside, I do a little bit of a wiggle. I go slow so that I can make sure a lot of product just comes off. Gets on the lash, that's the idea. Then point the inner ones towards the nose with the tip in, and the outer ones towards the ear with the tip in. Let that one dry a little. We're going to wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, wiggle down. This is the best brush in existence. And I have seen other people try to copy it, but nobody does. It's just, it gets every single lash. Every lash. I could stop if I wanted a light look. Okay, I stuck that right in my eye like an idiot. That also happens sometimes. Of all things, I don't really want to use a tissue, but that was really funny. I'm going to use my finger. A tissue is really dry. It's drier than your finger. If you want to get it off with your finger and then wipe on the tissue, you can, or the towel. Yeah, I did like a really hard blink because I hit my eye because I was stupid. And so that blinked it all down. Which isn't really bad because it blinked mostly on the liner below. You know, where we did the color below. Let's just do that again. Make sure we straighten them back out. There we go. That's what I did, is I stuck that tip in right in my lash. Look how good that mascara is, y'all. Can you see? It's fantastic. It's the best. I'm going to probably go back to getting this again. It's just as expensive, and so I have used CoverGirl Lash Blast because it has a similar comb. I've used Maybelline's Rocket Volume Express. The comb isn't similar, but the formula is. Just nobody has what this has. The formula and the perfect comb. It is a comb brush. So it goes through all the lashes. And they've got a new one called 3D or 4D paper. It's made, it's made out of a printer, I don't like it as much. This brush is much better. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, wiggle down. Wiggle, wiggle down. Bree wants to play. And I'm going to get these lashes towards the ear and this towards the nose. And I'm going to go back through one more time with what's left over. Straight up, and then a little more towards the ear as you get on the outer area. You can even use the tip end of the wand if they're getting out of place, which they are. I don't have great lashes. That's the problem. Let me see where the ball is so we can kick it for Bree. Hold on, I'm going to throw it. She's so excited. Can you hear her? She just ran all the way down the hallway. We have carpeting upstairs. I like it. It's such good coffee. Kona coffee. It is so good. It's so rich. Do y'all like these little earrings? These are so old, y'all. These are Chanel, Coach earrings. I used to get Coach jewelry when I would get a Coach handbag. And these are little tiny tags. You know how the Coach tag is on every purse? This is like 50 little tags, and I thought that is so cool, and it's in a chandelier style. Can you tell that I'm itching? Y'all, I'm wondering if I have eczema. Not eczema, what's it called? Yeah, eczema. Is that where you have dry skin? Someone told me they thought that was why my ears itch so much. Also, I know that I do scratch them a lot, and this is my little I forgot, Lumachina chains. It's 3 chains in one, and then this is an adjustable one that I put my cross on. I'm gonna get my other cross. I gave one to my middle daughter and one to my grandbaby. The exact same cross. It's the same one me and my husband have. Both of them never wear them. So I think I'm going to go back and get me my own one and not give it to nobody ever again. If my middle daughter's watching, wear your cross, girl. But she's gotten a bunch of beautiful diamond jewelry and other jewelry from her husband. But you know you can wear multiples. Layering's in. I've always been in because I've always layered my jewelry. But you want to know the real reason? Look how good that is. Second. I never could decide which piece I wanted to wear, so I just wore all of it. Tipping the ends. And literally, I'm doing the lower lashes with the tip end of the wand, if you can see. And just look how that makes them so lashy. I love this mascara. Tip the ends again. It doesn't dry out, so, you know, real fast like other mascaras do. So while you're tipping it the second time, it's got just enough moisture that you're really adding volume. But because of the comb, it comes through any clumps at all. And so it just looks so stinking good. Let's get the little outer one. Then tip. Whoops, and pull down. Straight down. You have to squint so it'll lift the lash. Do you see that? Otherwise you'll hit your skin underneath the lash. Is that good? Did I get that good? Okay. I feel like this is kind of good enough. I don't want to go on and on with it. That, you know, I've always talked about there's just a time where you just kind of say, and I'm done. It's not going to do anymore. And that's kind of where I'm at. Got one little thing right there. Remember, at either side of your nose is where you get a lot of fallout from your powder, or right here. Don't see any? So that's my look. It is a very glowy look. I have to say, this makeup that we tried today, the Chanel Le Beige Water Fresh Tint, does look very dewy, very moisturized. You know, I have a shimmer on my face. I haven't used any highlighter. Now, I did use a... I'm just going to make sure none of it is my sweat. Rather than mattify it with powder, just going to blot my sweat. Oh, that's the shine of the makeup. Okay, I don't feel like it had good coverage, but you know what? I do look very even all over for, you know, covering a blemish. That's where I can use my Chantecaille. And the Chantecaille concealer really did a good job of brightening under my eyes without it looking white. Like sometimes people make this white triangle. I've done that before too. And it just looks so white. I think that's the idea. But anyway, so this is my look. What do you guys think? Do you like the look of this? It's expensive. And again, I probably will not be using the little brush that came with it. Tomorrow I'll probably use my IT Cosmetics 301. This one, which is like a bigger version of that. This is 301, isn't it? 301 or 701? 301 Velvet Luxe Buffing Foundation. The only thing is, again, it's very, very dense, and when you have that, they're very hard to clean, almost impossible. When they get super, super dirty after a while, even though you clean it, you almost have to just get a new brush. And I have to tell you, every once in a while, it's just good to get a new set of brushes. You know, they do wear out. They don't last forever. The ones that last the most, and again, I'm still not an affiliate with them. I bet some of you are like, Beth, go fill it out at Sigma and become an affiliate. Sigma Beauty is the best brushes I know of, and so I do, and I promote them all the time, and yet you can be an affiliate, and and they give you a code, which they actually have given me a code. I need to share it with y'all. Then y'all get savings for buying them. And I think if you buy through a link that I give you, I get a little, I don't know if I get a cut. I don't know how it works. Thus, why I haven't done the affiliate program yet. I don't know. Okay, so I'm feeling really great about these products, y'all. I really do. I feel like this is like the best ever. Love this mascara. It is expensive. I can't remember how much it is, but it's Chanel. It is expensive, but my goodness, it's worth it. This eye palette, I mean, I could use this eye palette, this blush that I just got from Chantecaille, and one of the things I do like is the bronzer from KW Beauty, but I also like Dallas from Benefit. Actually, I like Dallas better than KW Beauty. And I also do like the butter bronzer. And you can use this to get a lot more, like use a bigger brush, and you'll have a lot more girth to take product and just really use a bigger brush and really bronze well. But actually, I can use a little KW Beauty and just let's see if I did need a little. Oh, wait a minute. That's the glitzy glam. I don't want that. I am shiny enough without it. It's this, called Luxe, L-U-X-E. Just going to do a little bit right there. A little bit right there. A little bit back here. A little on the hairline is what I'm thinking. Right on the nose and under here. That's the main thing. And the reason you shadow under here, y'all, is it just, a shadow makes it look like it goes away. And remember I told you if you do a little too much on color, the best thing that you can do is just go take your foundation brush and just kind of go over the front area of it. Like right there, I'm a little too pink. Right on the front edge, not the top edge, the front edge, to kind of blend it out a little bit into it. And that kind of helps if you overdid it. And that's it. So that's my look. And I just messed up my bangs again. Kind of want them going everywhere though, so they're okay. I feel like I want to have some height, but if I do that, it's just going to be so full of product. I'm trying to get away from using quite so much product. What do y'all think? Do you want to have a cup of coffee with me? Yummy! Bree, you're such a good girl. There's a person walking by. Yeah, you tell them. This is our area. It's our area. Anyways, I really do like these two products. The Chantecaille